Imagine a murder case where the victim's last words are a key piece of evidence. But what if those words were never actually spoken?
Wait, really? That sounds like a total game changer.
Exactly. In this case, Lisa Michelle Lambert's defense argues that the victim, Laurie Show, couldn't have spoken after being attacked. So that crucial phrase, "Michelle did it," might never have been said.
Wow, that's huge. Because if the victim didn't say that, then a big part of the prosecution's case could fall apart.
Right. And today, we're unpacking a federal hearing where Lambert is asking the court to take a second look at her murder conviction. It's called a habeas corpus hearing, basically a legal second chance to challenge a conviction if the original trial was unfair or flawed.
So this isn't just about one woman's fate. It's about how evidence is tested and how the justice system handles claims of innocence.
Exactly. Now, the defense's main argument centers on Laurie Show's neck injury. The prosecution's case partly rests on Laurie's mother saying Laurie whispered, "Michelle did it," right before she died. But the defense calls in Dr. Charles Larson, a speech expert, who says Laurie's injury would have made it impossible for her to speak at all.
And it gets even more intense. The official autopsy said Laurie's carotid artery wasn't severed, but the defense says it was actually cut, meaning Laurie would have died too fast to say anything.
Yeah, that's a big deal. If Laurie couldn't speak, then that last word's evidence is unreliable. It's like the foundation of the case is suddenly shaky.
Plus, the defense claims some of the physical evidence was messed with or destroyed. Like, they say a pink garbage bag was found exactly where Lambert said it would be, even though police said it was missing.
And those sweatpants the prosecution said belonged to a big man? Turns out, they were teen-sized, way too small for the guy they claimed.
Blood evidence is another mess. The police either destroyed it or never took photos, but insurance company pictures show blood exactly where Lambert said it would be.
Then there's the trauma expert, Dr. Ann Burgess, who explains why Lambert might have lied or stayed silent, because she was abused and intimidated. That helps explain her behavior in a way the court hadn't heard before.
And there's even talk of witness intimidation, like a young man who testified for Lambert later became a suspect in a different murder, suggesting retaliation.
On the flip side, the prosecution says the trial wasn't perfect, but it was fair. They point out Lambert's own early statements helped focus the investigation on her.
They also say medical experts back up that Laurie could have spoken after the attack because the carotid arteries weren't severed.
And they highlight that Lambert's stories have changed a lot over time, making her less credible. So, they say the defense has to prove she's innocent. And so far, they haven't done that.
So this hearing is really about more than just one woman's case. It's about how courts weigh evidence, expert opinions, and the messy human stories behind the facts.
Yeah, it shows how something as simple as whether a victim could speak can shake an entire conviction. And it reminds us that trauma and fear can shape how people act and what they say in court.
In the end, the court has to decide if Lambert's conviction stands or if she deserves a new chance. It's a powerful example of how justice isn't always straightforward.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that every piece of evidence matters, and sometimes the truth is hidden in what wasn't said.